National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida, northeastern Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Baker, or 18 miles southeast of Brooklyn, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Okaloosa and Santa Rosa. This is a special